What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Motion back with another video, man. As you can tell, we back at the BMW powerhouse. You feel me? You know, today we know we're in the X5 with everybody go crazy with the mods. You know, today we had a little cosmetic mods. You know, side reflector, delete, get that paint match right there, and get rid of this emblem that came with the car that I never got the chance to do because this shit is corny, bruh. That thing is very corny, so we about to get that swapped over. You know what I'm saying? That's the best mod you can do for a BMW, you feel me? Side reflector, delete. I don't think this car got the side reflectors on it because they got an aftermarket bumper on it, but I don't know. But you know, we in that M with it today, man. Damn, I gotta give her a wash. I made sure her no love. Like, look at the carpets and shit. Like, damn, bruh. I ain't giving my M no love. Woo. That cold start though. That cold start though. But I'm about to head over to Home Depot and Harbor Freight because I think I need a rivet gun. Cause I was looking on it to install these, but I'm not sure. I don't think these are rivets. I should just be able to take these out. These like 5/16 right here. Yeah, I should just be able to poke those out. I don't think I need a rivet for these ones, but other people got rivets on theirs. Yeah, I should be all right with no rivets. So I just about to go to Home Depot. I gotta go pick up a garage door opener because you know mine broke last night or whatever. But I'm just about to go pick one of those up. I'm gonna pull this motherfucker in the driveway, man. And she just listen to her, y'all. She's so cold right now. Very cold. As you can tell, this snow's not stopping nothing. Ooh. I'm gonna drive calm until she warm up. Then I'm gonna give you a little pull, but you know, headed over to the Home Depot. Yeah, I'm gonna tap in when we get there. We pull into the Home Depot. I can't give y'all too much, but I'm gonna give y'all a little something, nothing too crazy. Just a little slight calmness for the morning, you know, a little bow, you know, gonna start the day all right, you feel me? But you know, we just arrived at the Home Depot. Gotta go find that garage door opener because, you know, I can't get in my garage right now because that thing kind of stuck. But, you know, we just gonna park real quick, we're gonna head in the store, grab that, and we're gonna start the wrenching on the M because, you know, we ain't showing the M no love in a while. We've been working on it at the cars, but, you know, I'm gonna get y'all right with the M, give y'all this content that y'all wanna see. Probably gonna go pick up some hot glue too, or some super glue so I can put the logo on, hold it on firmly. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna grab the garage door opener and some super glue. Cause we gotta get that so the emblem don't go flying off when you drive it. So, you know, we back, you know what I'm saying? Got the garage door open and shit. It's cold outside, bro. Do I really feel like wrenching? Like I'm my gloves on or whatever. Feel me? But I was thinking in the store, just do I gotta remove the tires to actually think, or am I just gonna turn a tire over in one direction, like turn it over to the left side, or for the right side turn over to the left, and the right side turn over to the right, something like that. I don't know. I ain't trying to take out the wheels in this cold weather. It's too cold for all that. Dang, I forgot the glue. Let me think. Now I got glue in the curb. I got glue at the curb, you know. I was too focused on finding the damn thing. I forgot the glue. But, boom. Never fails me. Outside temp, 21 degrees. Shit crazy. But, you two, we on the way back to the... we just running with a mad snow. You know, this car just drive right through anything. I drive right through cars, you know, drive right through snow, drive right through everything, you feel me? But we on the way. Let me not run them over. Not run them over on camera, but we on our way back to the crib. We about to get this thing started, you feel me? So I'm gonna just tap in when we get right back over there. YouTube, we back at Motion Garage. These are the two side markers. What side is this? We're gonna do the left side first. So this is the left side right here. So this goes right there. It's gonna sit flush like that. Oh my gosh, she looks good, bro. She looks very good. Ain't like the BMW logo that we're about to delete. Slap it right here. Slap it right here. Wow. It's just wow, man. Y'all probably can't see me, but like, I'm about to put my gloves on. You know, we can't wrench in these thick little gloves, you know what I'm saying? So I get the plastics out. And they cold. Feel me? I just warms up the gloves a little bit. Ugh. And these things. Gotta get the glove a little warm. Let's stop first. You know, got my little. Oh! The drill just hit the floor. You know, I just tried to juggle with my feet, but I had too much in my hands, so I really couldn't do that. And get my 5/16 out right here. Got my little. And I gotta get my pry bar. Where we got my pry bar out. So I'm gonna begin taking it off. Right now. We got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So YouTube, how to put my gloves on. It's too cold to be doing all this, but you know, popped up the old one right here. Got the new one right here ready to go in. Not gonna lie, I should have waited till it's warmer out, but I gotta get some content for y'all, and I've been having to do this, and my hands are just freezing right now. So I'm guessing this just slides back in here. Now you gotta pop all these back in. Then we're gonna start the next side. How to get all this out. These things have clip on the ends. And yeah, it's cold, y'all. I'm gonna tell you it's cold. I'm doing this for y'all. It's cold. I would not be doing this right now. It's too cold for this. So I'm gonna just slap that in. Got some extra sticky glue on it. Let's slide this all in. Boom, boom, boom. Put it back together and we good. I'm gonna show y'all when it's done.
Update. Finally got, bro got this going on.
OEM, nice.
Not gonna lie, look at the view look nice. This is this one, and then here's the OEM one. I think it made it look better.
Got this thing in after 3 hours. Had to take the tire off because I ain't even going for that.
It took 3 hours?
Nah. But that don't look nice though. I ain't gonna put too much pressure on it because it's cold.
Everything is matching.
That don't look nice.
Now, pay matching calipers?
Hell nah, that's dirt. Now we're gonna do this side, take this side out. I'm with my hands warmer though, cause it's cool as shit. I'm doing emblem. Then we're gonna bring the M5 comp outside.
I'll put the exhaust on.
Yeah, take the exhaust off. This gonna be cool as shit.
Literally.
Alright, you know, YouTube. Got this joint in right here. That joint a little OEM plus. It's cold as shit, bro. Hands froze like 50 times, you know. Time to get rid of this weak ass emblem right here. That joint gotta go, you know. I don't know the other emblem right here, like OEM plus emblem. But that don't look crazy though. Don't look very crazy. Somebody hit this up with a heat gun, pry it up, slap this one, put some glue behind it, and you know, we about to take that M5 CS, you know, parked up right there, M5 CS. We got the Scat 90 right here. You know, YouTube, we got the Scat 90. You gotta tell this nigga spin this shit for the vlog, bro. You know, we got the Scat 90 right here. Shit slow as fuck. She just gets eaten alive. Yo, all my suspension look like that. Yo, my suspension is broken? Yo, why it look like that?
Wait, what? Nigga stuck the driveway slanted.
Hell no, the car's up. Hold on. I don't know. My car looks slanted though.
I know. You gotta drive.
It got air suspension, yeah.
They gotta adjust.
So what the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, YouTube, you know we got the BMW logo on here, man. My hand's cold still, bro. Dang, that shit look trim. You feel me? with the old M badge. This was corny ass badge. But you know we got this on. We good. We good. BMW. You feel me? Check me out, man. But you know, we about to head on. I think he left. I think he left with the B58, the X5M. You know, we about to go crazy. You know, my suspension's still uneven, probably because of the air suspension. And I jacked it up when it was cold, when it was off. Probably got a driver gonna adapt. You feel me? But you too. I'll make you know it's cold, bro. So we about to head over there. You gotta see what they got going on. But let me clean up real quick, y'all. I'm cold. YouTube, you know we got the tours outside. M5CS, Hellcat, Red Eye, Slim Body. You know what I'm saying? Got the track cut killer, you feel me? Yeah, I ain't telling my do-rag was loose though. But you know, we just wrenched that up in the cold. Hopefully them side markers don't fall off because it's cold outside. I pray they don't fall off. But right now my car's still uneven. Wow. Is it gonna even itself out? I hope so, but because I got the little adaptive suspension, and I jacked my car up when it was off, so now it feels kind of lopsided. So I just hope everything just coasts back, because right now it's still kind of lopsided. Nah, it's straightened out. It's straightened out. No, it's not. It's still kind of lopsided for some reason. But it's probably gonna straighten out when I keep driving. But we know we about to go get the exhaust on the M5CS. You feel me? About to get that done. So YouTube, I'm tapping when we get there. Yeah, suspension evened out. May not do too much, but how about a traffic seat with my suspension up? God damn! So I see my shit level, bro. Nah, it's bad. It's good. For real, YouTube, got the snowmobile out. You feel me? She look good. The side markers did a thing. I just gotta get her washed. Side markers did a thing. Feel me? This look crazy. But you know, with the shop to get the exhaust put on the M5CS, you feel me? It's cold, bro. Ain't no room. Ain't no time to be wrenching out here. It's too cold. And this weather's not right, man. Got the 392 with the supercharger on it right there. Got the M5 in the driveway. You know, right here. What Catback is this?
So what?
What Catback is that?
Custom Catback, bro.
Alright, bro. What's the brand, bro? That's not in the box.
Oh, that's all.
They're gonna see that.
Whatever. It's a custom Catback.
They want to
Quote unquote custom Catback. But you know, you don't about to be crazy.
Never
Got the valve box right here. Wow.
Why you put that?
So we should get this installed. I'm skied up. You know it's cold out here, man. Can't be lacking with no ski. But it's probably gonna take like 45 minutes, 30 minutes to put it on. Once you drop it, just put everything together. I feel like the hard part is just adjusting everything, make sure everything is in the right spot. First start of open dump right off the downpipe. Go ahead, start it. Ew! Rev it. Hold on, it's not that loud.
We got an open dump exhaust right here. You get a turbo though.
Put it forward. Hold on. Forward. Alright, rev it. Okay. Alright.
Chill.
That does sound alright.
I mean, you can hit the turbos in water.
Yeah.
Was it loud?
Yeah, a little bit.
OD. That was low.
Alright, YouTube. The car's still getting that work done, but I'm about to dip. But if you want to hear the whole sound clip, you know, go tap in the Tree Sheet F30 on YouTube. The full video gonna be on there with the M5CS, you know what I'm saying?
What are you about to leave? Nigga not gonna get no sound check.
The sound clip gonna be on your channel, you know. But you know, Motion Lens got follow me on Instagram, Motion Lens. I got a photo shoot I gotta go to, so you know, I gotta everything about to be done with this car soon. Just having some issues fitting it on, but sound clip's gonna be on his channel. Link gonna be down in the description. So I'm gonna catch you on the next video. It's cool as shit out here. Make sure I like, subscribe, you know. Let's go crazy for me, I'm going crazy for y'all. Peace out.